China is developing a game-changing weapon that could redefine space warfare, a next-generation microwave system capable of disabling satellites from afar. Built around the quantum phenomenon of superradiance, this weapon harnesses the collective energy of excited atoms to generate microwave pulses with immense destructive power. Engineered by scientists from the PLA Academy of Military Sciences and the Key Laboratory of Advanced Microwave Science and Technology, the system reportedly unleashes pulses reaching 16.6 gigawatts, enough to permanently fry a satellite's electronics, even if shielded. And with a staggering pulse rate of up to 126 million per second, 126 megahertz, targets have virtually no time to react or escape. The tech taps into the long-theorized but recently achievable effect of quantum superradiance, a process that boosts energy emission intensity exponentially. Now, thanks to breakthroughs in electronic engineering, China's researchers are translating that quantum principle into real-world military power. What sets this weapon apart? Speed, stealth, and scale. Unlike missiles, this system needs no physical contact, no targeting lock, and leaves no trace. Mounted on a mobile, airborne, or even space-based platform, it could strike globally with zero warning. Initial simulations show each burst lasts just 0.77 nanoseconds, but with enough energy to disable satellite components, disrupt comms, blind navigation systems, or destroy solar panels. The microwave beam operates around 9.7 GHz, offering excellent penetration and focus, not just against space assets, but also modern drones and UAVs, which rely on compact electronics and radio systems highly vulnerable to this kind of attack. Still in the design phase, the project faces technical challenges: ultra-precise generator synchronization, efficient cooling, high-voltage management, and building a compact power source that can deliver tens of megawatts. But if these hurdles are overcome and a prototype is built, China could gain a strategic upper hand in the race for space superiority. This isn't just theory, it's a blueprint for the next era of non-kinetic warfare. No missiles, no explosions. Just silent, invisible force disabling enemy systems from miles away.